The strength of pure magnesium is low, but magnesium alloy is a good lightweight structural material, widely used in space technology, aviation, automotive, and instrument industries. If there is no problem with the quality of the new magnesium ball press, purchased by the user, then we can install and produce it. Some users may have done trial production experiments in advance in the manufacturer, which is better. If not, it does not matter. After installation, we will carry out a test run again to see whether the machine state and work is in place. Here, we will explain the key points for attention when the metal magnesium ball press first runs. Before we test the machine, we must do a good job of preparation, such as the preparation of materials to press into balls, especially metal magnesium, but also need to add water and adhesive, so plan the installation of the machine in advance. The preparation of materials and other work is very important.